Hey folks, front is through the valley, and as it moves down to the south, the cooler air is spilling in. The air a little behind the actual wind shift. Wind shifted as early as 9 or 10 o'clock this morning in the upper valley, but now the cool air is finally starting to get here to the front, well down to the south of us. You see that line right there. Going a little tighter, and there's been some pretty nice light rain right on the coast. South Padre Island, Port Isabel seeing some rain much of the afternoon into the evening. Up the coast, there's some more right near Los Fresnos, some decent rain right now. Most of it's light to maybe moderate at most. Upper valley, we're seeing a little line of showers moving northward now from Hidalgo up through McAllen, parts of Mission up into Edinburgh. It's all very light stuff, and that's what we expect to continue tonight into tomorrow as the cooler air comes down in underneath the warm, humid air that was here just a few hours ago. Look how temperatures have all fallen to the 60s except Brownsville now. We're at 71, but it's down to 64 Weslaco, 63 in Raymondville. And overnight tonight, readings are going to bottom out in the 50s. It's going to take all night to get there. These are your probably 7 to 8 a.m. readings, so it just slowly falls all night long. But once you get to the 50s, it's not going to go up much. Look at the afternoon. We're still, for the most part, in the 50s, with the exception of McAllen, Brownsville, and the island, low 60s. Everybody else, 58, 59 degrees. There'll be some drizzle from time to time. It's not just a rainy day, but it's definitely a gray, overcast day, and there will be spotty drizzle. But it's just going to be one of those fall to winter-like days across the valley. A high tomorrow of 59, that's way below the seasonal normal. Back to 65 on Friday and 79 on Saturday. So a couple of cool days ahead, but tomorrow certainly the coolest. We'll still have a northerly breeze tomorrow, making it feel even cooler than what it is. This satellite radar together, and again, watch the front kind of move through the valley. You watch for it. You wait for it, and there it goes down to the south, and that's it. Now the shower's building in behind it. Front will continue to push away, and that moisture is going to hang around tonight and into early tomorrow. But notice by tomorrow afternoon, it's just cloudy and chilly, and the showers go spotty. Nothing widespread, but light drizzle around much of the day tomorrow, on and off. And it goes into Friday, same kind of thing. Still clouds, still cool. Still spotty light rain or drizzle. It's not until Saturday that we really have much chance at all of seeing any sunshine, and even that's probably limited as we get into the weekend, because even Saturday, about a 20% chance of showers. It's 50 tomorrow, 40 Friday, and 20 on Saturday, and Sunday keeping about a 20% probability of rain in there as well. You know, it's cool here, but look at the rest of Texas. It's only 48 in San Antonio and Austin, 47 in Dallas right now. Abilene is 39, Del Rio's 49, Laredo's 54. They were in the 50s most of the day in Laredo. Falfurrias is in the 60s all day, but now everybody even down here cooling off as that cooler air spills down in. Big batch of rain moving across the middle part of Texas as the cooler air builds down in. There's an upward disturbance kind of caught up in the flow that's moving across. By tomorrow, the clouds are still here, but the biggest part of that rain is gone. Just, again, leftover drizzle, that's about it. Friday, we still have a north wind, so it's still cool, but by Saturday, that north wind begins to break down a little bit. Southeast flow kicks back in, and slowly the warmer air comes back up, and we're back in the 80s for Saturday and Sunday, but still clouds stick around, still spotty showers. Nothing widespread, but spotty stuff. Headed to the coast, northerly winds 15 to 20 tomorrow. The bay waters are choppy, the UV is moderate. There is a small craft advisory in effect for tomorrow with a moderate risk of rip currents and seas kicking up to 5 to 7 feet behind this front. So tonight, 52 for a low, cloudy, cooler with spotty light rain and drizzle, northerly winds all night long. Then tomorrow back up to 59. That's about it. Still cloudy, still cool, still some drizzle around, but northwesterly winds will continue all day long tomorrow. 59, 65, and then 79 for Saturday, 83 for Sunday. Each of the next several days, there's at least a slight chance for a shower, but tomorrow you feel the impact of today's front. Certainly a whole lot cooler with some showers around. That's your updated First One 5 forecast. We'll be back right after this.